Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers you also pray for me. I hope you are eating my latest video. So girls, it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. The patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, mind-blowing ideas, fabulous crocheting work. Some are beautiful crochet steppy style, leather steppy style, wooden handle, metal handle. Very nice, beautiful ideas, pocket style, zipper style, lock-up style, bow tie style, and some are beautiful decorated with crochet flower patterns. Some are simple and some are decorated with beaded stones. Mostly girls like carry beautiful handbag. And you can carry this handbag with matching your dresses in any party like college, birthday, any function. Most demanding collection and daily use collection for modern girls. Very nice, beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. You can see 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbag. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. And please pray for me.